Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss about find factors of number in Python. Factors are the numbers you multiply to get another number. We'll see what is factors. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. How we are getting these factors are 1 into 6, 6. That means 1 and 6 are factors of 6. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 equal to 6. That means 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. We will discuss this logic over Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create Python application. We need to read input from command prompt. Use input of please provide input number and assign to integer variable input number. Here input method returns string, but we are trying to store it in integer. We need to convert string to integer using int method int. We need to check input number is valid or not. If input number less than or equal to 0, print invalid number, else factor of input number. We need to provide implementation for factor method. Use def keyword factor of num for I in range of 1 comma num plus 1 if num modulus I equal to 0, print I. In this method we are using for loop and we are getting numbers from 1 to num plus 1 using range method. We will execute this method to get the output. Control F5. Please provide input number 6. Factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Control F5. 10. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. We will execute this program over debugging to understand the flow of the execution. Put breakpoint, then go to debug, start debugging or F5, later click on step into. Now click on start debugging. F11, read the input from command prompt, 6, enter. Here number 6 less than or equal to 0, false, it goes to else part. Factor of 6, we are calling the method factor of 6 for I in range of 1 comma num plus 1. Num is equal to 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So here range method will take 1 to 7. F11, now I is equal to 1, num 6, 6 modulus 1 equal to 0. So 1 is the factor, here we are printing the value. F11, I is equal to 2, now 6 modulus 2 equal to 0, true, print value 2. F11, here I is equal to 3, 6 modulus 3 equal to 0, true, print I value. F11, here num is equal to 6 and I is equal to 4, not equal to 0. Next I is equal to 5, 6 modulus 5 not equal to 0. Next I is equal to 6, 6 modulus 6 equal to 0, print. Here factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Now we will try this program using while loop. Remove this for loop. Declare I variable I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to num. If num modulus I equal to 0, print I. We need to increment I value I equal to I plus 1. We will execute this program without debugging, that means control F5. Please provide input number 6, enter. We are getting output as 1, 2, 3, 6. Control F5. 20. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. We will execute this program over debugging. Go to debug, click on start debugging, later F11. F11, read the input from command prompt, 6, enter. Here input number 6 less than or equal to 0, false, it goes to else part. Factor of 6, Here 1 assigned to I, 1 less than or equal to 6, true. Then 6 modulus 1 equal to 0, true, print I value. Later I is equal to I plus 1, that means 1 plus 1 2, so I is equal to 2 less than or equal to 6, true. Then 6 modulus 2 equal to 0, true, print I value. Then I incremented, now I is equal to 3, 3 less than or equal to 6, 6 modulus 3 equal to 0, true, print I value 1 2 3. Then I incremented by 1, I is equal to 4, 4 less than or equal to 6, 6 modulus 4 not equal to 0, I is equal to 5. Then 6 modulus 5 not equal to 0. Next I is equal to 6, 6 modulus 6 equal to 0, print the I value. Here 6, F11, I is equal to 7, 7 less than or equal to 6, false, exit from while loop. And here we are getting output as 1 2 3 6. Control F5, 100. Factors are 1 2 4 5 10 20 25 50 100. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.